If you ever ask yourself, what am I actually supposed to sell online? You're not alone. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what beginners should sell when starting from zero, and more importantly, what you don't need to sell. One of the biggest reasons people never start is because they think they need to invent something new. The truth is, beginners do best when they keep things simple and proven. The first option is selling a digital product. This could be a guide, a checklist, a blueprint, or a short training that helps someone else solve a specific problem. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to be one step ahead of the person you are helping. The second option is affiliate marketing. This means you recommend a product, tool, or a system that already exists and you earn commissions. This is one of the easiest ways to start because you don't have to create anything from scratch. What I don't recommend beginners do is try to sell everything at once. Multiple offers create confusion, and confusion stops action. How to choose the right one? Ask yourself 3 simple questions. What feels simplest for me right now? What problem do I understand well? And can I explain this clearly to someone else? You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have a perfect offer. You need a clear one. If you want a beginner blueprint that walks you through choosing your first offer step by step, I've linked it below. And in the next video, I'll show you how to turn content into leads without paid ads.